This is the SAS Viya 3 presentation. So we are going to start, we logged into SAS Viya, we are going to click the Applications menu, and then we are going to select Explore and Visualize. Once it loads, we are going to click All Reports, and then we are going to go to Courses, and then we are going to YVA 185, and then we are going to go to Basics. We are going to go to Demos Marketing. And then from there, we are going to VA1 Demos 2.1. So when looking at this page, this is where the page tabs is going to be. This is where you can see that we are able to edit. This is the left pane. This is the canvas where the information will be, and then this is the right pane. So then from here, we are going to hit this up here, username, and then we are going to go to Settings. So under the SAS Viya Visual Analytics, we are going to click General, and then from there we want to scroll down to the tiles for new objects. So tables, no title, graphics, automatic title, controls are going to be no title, content is going to be no title, and analytics is also going to be no title. And then if we have any questions, we just hit this little question mark right here, and the automatic title option might not apply to some objects such as key values. So these enable you to add automatic titles, custom titles, or no titles to specific objects within your report. So then from there, we are going to close out of this. And then on the left pane, we are going to select Data. So you can see right here, there are a list of categories within the data. So we are going to scroll down to view the data items in the measure group. So right here. So using this, we are going to click Objects. We click Objects right here, and then from there we are going to drag the List Table option over into the canvas. So we're going to drop the list table there. So then on the right pane right here, we are going to select Roles, and for the Columns role, click Add. So we are going to select all of these datas except frequency and frequency percent. So we are going to select everything except these two, and then hit OK. So then from there, we can see, once it's loaded, we will be able to see a lot of the data that is associated with these data roles. So now that you can see all of the data is loaded into the canvas area, we are going to click the upper left corner next to page 1, and we are going to click this little plus button right here, and we are going to add new page. So we are going to use a crosstab to view distinct values of order type. So from here on the left pane, we are going to click Objects, and then we are going to drag crosstab into the middle right here. So then we are going over to the right pane, and we are going to select roles, and from there we are for the rows role, we are going to select add, and then from there we are going to click order type and click OK. So order type contains the method in which the order was placed, so either, as you can see, catalog, internet, or retail. So then in the left pane, we are going to click data again, and in the measures group, we are going to select customer ID and quantity ordered, and we are going to drag them into the crosstab right there. So you can see with catalog, internet, and retail, you can see the customer ID and the quantity ordered. So then we are going to view descriptive information for the measure data items. So in the left pane, we are going to click data again, and then we are going to click data source menu. Right here, we are going to click this, which is the data source menu, and then we are going to select View Measure Details right here. Once it loads, with cost selected, we are going to view more information within this area, so you can see literally everything right there. So we can see the standard deviation is at 85.28. And then I guess a major point is the number of rows in the customers table appears in a list along with additional descriptive statistics for cost. And then right here is the graph. So then from here we are going to close and then save the report.